How to send cash out money using Unverified Gcash account. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can send the cash with an unverified account of yours. So having a verified account would be very useful because you can use a lot of features from there. But somehow if you don't have a verified Gcash account, then also you can do some minor transactions. But for a very huge transaction, you must have your account verified. But to know how you can do transaction from your unverified account is, the very first step is to open your Gcash app and log in with your credentials. On the home screen, tap the send money option. After that, tap the Gcash parallel option and then enter your credentials and tap the next option. Make sure that your recipient's details are accurate and correct. And now review the details and tap pay to the confirm it and write the amount and send it there. This is how you can do it. So it says that you can only transfer 10,000 monthly to other Gcash users. So if you want to send more than this, then you must have your account verified. So that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button. Also comment on the comment section.